Okay, so as you guys can tell by the title, this is my 2021 Honda Pilot with 77,000 miles. This is the Pilot with the V6, 3.5 liter, and it has Thorn rod bearing. 77,000 miles. Now listen to this. This is how it looks like. In case you guys don't know what bad rod bearing looks like, this is how it looks like. All right, she's running. Sounds really quiet to me. Yeah, all right. Sounds good. Okay, so no lights besides the hood, because there is no hood. So just going to put in drive. So yeah, all right. Looks like we're in business. So yeah, it's running. So hard work, all this hard work finally paid off, man. Hopefully this engine lasts another, well, at least it lasts 250,000 miles. Hopefully.